hands up. There you go.
I can't do it.
You're not going nowhere until them hands go up.
Nuh-uh.
We'll sit here until them hands go up.
Only put your hands up. I'm not putting them up. I need a bracelet. I want to go again. Yeah, goodness gracious. I don't think I have hair anymore. That was even more like upside down than last time. Because I was rocking my feet. I was like kicking.
How was that?
Can we go again?
It'd be $10 each.
Can we go again? Can we go again? I have like $10 exactly.
It'll be $10 each to go again.
Like exactly?
Yep.
I have my card in there. Okay, well I have $10 exactly in her wallet. Yeah, I have 2 5s. And then she has her card.
Just don't say it out loud, but I'll do it for $5 each.
Okay.
It'll be $10 total.